Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use DaVinci Resolve for YouTube Shorts. First, let's get your project set up correctly. Open DaVinci Resolve and create a new project. Navigate to your project settings and change the timeline resolution to 1080 by 1920 pixels. This ensures your video is perfectly vertical. Also, confirm your frame rate matches your original footage, usually 24 or 30 frames per second, for smooth playback. Now that your project is ready, let's bring in your content. Import your video clips into the media pool by dragging them directly or using the import function. Then, simply drag your desired clips onto the timeline. Use the blade tool, which is easily accessible, to make precise cuts and remove any unwanted sections. This helps keep your short concise and engaging, aiming for duration under 60 seconds. To make your short more dynamic, let's add some elements. Go to the effects library and drag a text or title generator onto your timeline. Customize its font, size, and color to match your brand. Next, import your chosen background music and adjust its volume to a comfortable level, typically around -20 decibels. A quick color correction pass can also significantly enhance your video's visual appeal. Finally, it's time to export your masterpiece. Head over to the Deliver page. Select the YouTube preset, but double-check that your resolution is still set to 1080 by 1920 pixels for that vertical format. Choose a high-quality codec like H.264 to ensure crisp visuals. Click Render, and once complete, your YouTube short will be ready for upload, perfectly optimized for the platform.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.